This is your Manipal paper from November December 2016. Okay. In this question, they have asked you to calculate the mesh current and it is of 5 marks. So, how many total equation you need to make? How many meshes are there? There are 3 meshes and there is one dependent source. So, one equation extra for the dependent source. So, total you need to make 4 equation. Okay. Always remember the series that first equation you need to make it from mesh. Okay. Second equation you need to make it from, if there is super mesh then use super mesh. Third equation you need to make it from, if there is a current source then you can use directly the current source equation. Fourth equation is the dependent source. कि wherever is your dependent source present, okay, so you have to search कि कहाँ present है. From there you need to make the equation. Got it? Now see, first mesh equation is this one, second mesh equation is this one. जहाँ पे तुम अटक रहे हो that is current source. Current source है तो we'll always get the direct equation from the current source always. ठीक है? We can't apply the mesh where current source is present. First thing. So now next thing we need to see whether the current source is in the middle wall or in the corner wall. If the current source is in the corner wall, then in that case there will be a single current, and if current source in the middle wall, then in that case there will be a double current. Now this 2 ampere, it is in the corner wall or in the middle wall? Corner wall, and in the corner wall there is a flow of single current. Now ये 2 ampere किसके रूम में है? I1 के रूम में है, I2 के रूम में है, I3 के रूम में है? I3 के रूम में है. नाउ वी नीड टू टेक ओनली I3. तो दो केसेस इज पॉसिबल, आइदर I3 would be equal to 2 ampere or I3 would be equal to -2 because single current will flow, right? So now we need to see the direction. I3 direction and 2 ampere direction is same or opposite? How can you check? Like suppose just mark it as A to B. 2 ampere is also moving from A to B, I3 is also moving from A to B, so I3 would be equal to 2 ampere. Okay, clear? Now this would be mesh equation, this would be mesh equation. As you can see, there is no current source in the middle branch, so there will be no super mesh. Now this is the equation which we got it from the direct equation from the current source, right? Now one more equation which was left, dependent source wali. Now tell me the dependent source wali equation. I is in the middle branch, I and I1 direction is same, right? So I1 would be positive, I3 and I direction is opposite, so I3 will be negative, would be equal to I. So now you'll have 4 variable. One of the variable is I1, another variable is I2, another variable is I3 and another variable is fourth variable is I. 4 variable 4 equation solve हो जाएगा. Now see कैसे solve करेंगे. I3 को जहाँ जहाँ I3 है put it 2, okay, and if we'll put I3 तो I1 और I की terms में आ जाएगा. तो जहाँ जहाँ पे I1 है put it I. ठीक है, तो तुम्हारे 2 variable eliminate हो गए. Then you can solve it further. Solving में तो कोई problem नहीं आई. ये first तुम्हारी mesh की equation हो गई, right? Next one is your super mesh equation. Super mesh, this one. So first I told you the series की mesh, then super mesh, then current source, right? Next equation you need to make it from the current source. Either it would be a dependent current source or independent current source. So dependent current source is here. Next equation you need to make it from here. Tell me. Third equation, current source. Fourth equation you have make from dependent value. Its value is depending on current. तो current कहाँ पे है वो search करो. I. So I1 and I both are in the same direction, positive. I3 is in opposite direction, so negative. 4 variable 4 equation. Now you can solve it. इसमें देखो सारी ही इक्वेशन तुम्हारी करंट सोर्स से बनी है, सेम डायरेक्शन है तो पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे ये I1 की और इसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन है तो ये कितना हो जाएगा नेगेटिव, तो यहाँ से ये बना है। और ये डिपेंडेंट करंट सोर्स है I4 एंड 2I बोथ आर इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन तो -2I, ठीक है। सो इन दिस वी कांट I इज इक्वल टू I1। तो देखो इसमें कितना इजी हो जाएगा तुम्हें सॉल्व करना, राइट। एक और इक्वेशन बनेगी बिकॉज 1 2 3 4 मैश एंड 1 डिपेंडेंट, तो वन मोर इक्वेशन यू विल मेक इट फ्रॉम द सुपर मैश। यहाँ से चलो, यहाँ नहीं जा सकते, करंट सोर्सेज देयर, यहाँ नहीं जा सकते, करंट सोर्सेज देयर, so this super mesh you can take it, okay। One more equation you need to make it from the super mesh, so fourth super mesh equation is this one। so 5 equation 5 variable you can solve it, right। so this is your first mesh equation, second mesh equation and third mesh equation। ये मेकअप का पेपर था तो इतना इजी क्वेश्चन है, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा बिकॉज इसमें डिपेंडेंट सोर्स भी नहीं है एंड करंट सोर्स भी नहीं है, ओके। एंड दिस इज ऑफ 5 मार्क्स, मेकअप का है ना इसलिए।